Time it is. Post smoothie time. First ingredient in the smoothie is a banana, mangoes as our frozen fruit today. Like that much. Organic mixed greens. Much of this in here as we can shove. Blend it up a little bit so we can have some more room. Okay, we have more room for some more lettuce. Okay, we need to add our protein now. I'm gonna do like a scoop and a half. Hands down the healthiest protein powder that I can find on the internet. Okay, then I just add a little bit of MCT oil. And I just added a little more water to blend this up. All right. Tastes like bananas. Literally can't even taste the greens in here.